Hey guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, introduce myself. My name is Usivi Risfariga and NPM 22411170. Here I will explain about perception and decision. Definition. Perception is the process by which individual organize and interpret sensory information to their information. It involves the selection, reception, organization, and interpretation of information achieved from the circuit environment. Perception depends not only on objective reality, but rather on how individuals interpret reality based on the experience, needs, and expectations. Decision making is organization is the process of choosing the best alternative from two or more options to achieve certain goals. The process is often influenced by individual perception, available information, and time pressures. Factor affecting perception. Some of the factors that influence perception is an organizational context includes individual characteristics, individual past experience, personal value, and psychological state can influence how they perceive situation or other people. Situation. The physical and social environment also play an important role in shaping perception. For example, poor working conditions can affect employees' perception of management, target of person, the features of the person or object being researched can influence how a person judges them. For example, a person's physical appraise of behavior can trigger consent judgment. Three major models of decision making. 1. Rational decision. Use complete information to find the optimal solution. 2. Limit rational decision making. Faced with limited information and complexity of the problem. Decisions are good enough but not always optimal. And 3. Intuitive decision relying on experience and step without in-depth analysis. Perception and decision making factor. Factors that influence perception in organizational context can be divided into two categories: internal factor and external factors. Internal factors. Individual past experience shape the way they perceive situation. Individuals tend to use previous experience as reference to interpret current information. Unmet needs can affect a person's perception. For example, a hungry individual may pay more attention to food than anything else. Value and attitudes. A person's personal value and attitude play an important role in their interpretation for information. Two people can see the same situation but give different assessments based on their values. And individual experience of the outcome or behavior of others can influence how they perceive it. For example, if a manager expects low performance from his team, he may view the team's performance more negatively, which was. Perception and decision-making factor, external factors. Characteristics of observed object or stimulus such as size, color, and shape can influence perceptual stimulus that are more conspicuous to attract or the context which information is rich is also very important. Physically and social environment can influence how individuals interpret information. For example, a positive work atmosphere can increase positive perception of work. The difference between perception and reality. Perception is adjective, meaning that the way a person and assess the situation can be influenced by their personal experience, value, expectation, and psychology stage. Reality is object independent of individual character. What happened in the real world is the same as if people perception were. In for example, if a project is a complete time. So, conclusion. Understanding perception decision making is key to improving organizational effectiveness by managing perceptual difference among employees and providing accurate information for decision making. Organizations can achieve their goals more effectively. Okay guys, that's all my presentation and thank you guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.